Sound Capsules is a Zora client for music built on Base, storing music inside of an ERC6551 token-bound account. You can scroll down and see all the music on Zora. You can select any tracks that you want to buy. All of these are music published on Zora on the Base network. You'll see that the price changes to reflect your total cart. And when you click Mint, you're not only going to mint the sound capsule, you're also going to buy each of those tracks off of Zora. Looking inside of the transaction, you can see that we have created a sound capsule. It has its own address. This is your iPod or your capsule. And then we bought each of the individual tracks off of Zora. Each of the creators got paid, and each of those tracks got sent into that sound capsule that was just created. So you got all 5 tracks, and then when you go back over to sound capsules, you'll see a nice, pretty capsule with all your music.